Hey guys, this is Vengeance with MidnightRSProductions, and today I'm going to introduce my website, MidnightRS.org. Basically, I'm just going to go over a couple things. Just say, this is my website, this is a forum, this is basically what this website is. It's a forum based on RuneScape hacking. But it covers a bunch of other details such as graphics design, hacking in general area, just general discussion, and it's a basically an all-purpose marketplace. We do not allow child porn or any sort of leaking of information whatsoever. Cracked programs that will change though, etc., etc. So basically, this is my website, and if you want to come join and be a part of it, then go ahead and feel free. I'm about to introduce some of the programs that you can get from being a member of this site and why you should join this site. Alright guys, so you can see here that there are 6 programs listed out. These are all this is the Zephyr suite. Basically you can either buy all these in a suite package or you can buy them one at a time. Some of them are still in the beta phase, but 2 or 3 are already finished. Basically, let's just go over them. First off on the list, we have the Zephyr downloader, which will, first of all, let me say we will have a complete major GUI overhaul on this, because it's just a normal, downloader. It has a bot kill built in, which will kill any sort of rats or keyloggers or miners in the background of the process. And with a GUI overhaul, you'll be able to select whether or not you want the bot kill function to work. So you just type in your URL and you click build, and it'll automatically generate your exe for you. Secondly on the list, there's a Zephyr viewer, which was based to be an AdSense clicker or viewer, which when it's through at the beta phase, it will be able to click your AdSense ads or whatever ads you have on your page. So here's this. Basically, it'll load whatever page you want. It loads my website just to load my website or whatever. You can load your website URL. If you want to load an example, it'll load a proxy list, which this proxy.txt only has one proxy in it right now. It just is an example, so it'll automatically load your proxies list. It'll show how many proxies you've loaded, and when you're running it, it'll show how many hits you have. You load your website URL, you show this, and show the web browser clicking it, and you start clicking, and it will automatically click on the page. Now that we're done with that, thirdly on the list you have the Zephyr Keylogger, which this is also in the beta phase out of the 6. It will grab the key. It uses keyboard hooks to grab the keys on the keyboard and supports email support. As this is called Revenge Logger, my name is Vengeance on MidnightRS forums, and originally before I had the website I called it Revenge Logger. This will be changed. Now, it supports Gmail right now, but it will support all popular email domains, right? And basically, this is about it. It enables antis. There will be an anti list on the thread on the sales thread or a giveaway thread. I'm thinking about making this free. And there's a server startup, there's interval, and you test and build server, etc. Alright, next one on the list is Zephyr Crypter, and let me just say this crypter is 99.8% done. We just have a couple more things to add. This crypter currently includes, it's 0 out of 37 FUD, it's coded in VB.NET, it uses Codom, icon changer, assembly changer, startup functionality, and I think I can't think of anything else. Let me just show it to you instead of just sitting here. It's downloading the current loading. Alright, so you're gonna go in and choose your server. I don't want to choose that. That's bull. You go ahead and choose it or whatever. You don't have to choose anything. You choose end of file, obfuscation, however much you want. Startup, startup is whatever. Icon changer. You can choose an icon, and you can assemble it. Apply the assembly, and then apply, and then build. That's basically it, and that's what we have right now, and we're going to add a whole lot more. Next thing on the list is the Zephyr bot. This is going to be a whole a big help for RuneScape routers out there, RuneScape keyloggers. Let me just say, this thing is like a fake RuneScape bot that is it's not anywhere near completed. We still have a lot of stuff to add to it. It's just in the very early beta stages right now. But let me just show it to you. I'm going to open up the stub because this is what it loads. This is what the builder loads into. Let me just show you the builder while this is loading. You can add the bot name, extension changer, custom icon, obfuscate. It has a Fisher function for the add an account, run client, download and execute built in. So this could basically be like a built-in binder. So you're looking at this, and you have, well, we're going to change this so it just shows the client, but for now it shows the web page, and it automatically loads all this garbage. And you go to account, so you can add an account. We're going to make it look as close as possible to the RuneScape account manager, but for now this is what we have. You can add it, enter the account username, okay, blah blah blah. Alright, so you can close that. You can currently we have the built-in script menu. We're going to have descriptions out to the right side like RSBot does, etc., etc. You can run the script. Successfully loaded. No user selected using guest account for user session. And add script source is currently under the beta phases. Nothing under the edit or help menu. Yeah, you can close the bot. And that's about it for right now. And then lastly on the list, guys, Zephyr. This is the one that has taken the most time to create. This was my most prized masterpiece. This is 99.8% done, as well as the cryptor. The only thing that's lacking from this program is a live keylogger, not an offline, but a live. And let it just load for a second here. It uses NetSeal. So let me just log in real fast. Just let it run program, and this is basically it. I mean, you're looking at the program. You can automatically start listening on port. I'm just going to listen on port 8000. Automatically start listening. Connections is none. You've got the builder. It's got just the basic settings for right now. You got the port checker, but pretend there's somebody online. The different options are, this is all the different options. You can just pause and look at it while the video is running. Yeah, basically you can just like change all these items. You've got all this different information. You got the USB spreader and this built-in stealer, remote desktop, and etc. That's about it for the rat. We're still working on adding different features and adding the keylogger function. And that's about it, guys. This has been the introductory video for MidnightRS.org. And I hope you guys join, because most of these tools will be free, and I hope to see you guys here and help us out, and hope to see us help you. Thanks.